Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage default notifications for your Google Calendars. So I'm on the settings page for a specific Google Calendar, and I scroll down a little bit and you'll notice I have headings for event notifications, all-day notifications, and other notifications. So here's what these three mean. For event notifications, basically what's going to happen is if you click on this button, you're defining default notifications for every event on the calendar. All right, so if I set this as is, what this means is I'm going to get a notification 10 minutes before an event begins for every event on this calendar. Whether I'm going to it or not, whatever. Also, if an event is an all-day event, which doesn't necessarily mean it's 24 hours long, but it could just mean you're spending all of the available time at that event. Same idea, I click on the button. If I save this, I'm going to get a notification one day before every all-day event at 9 a.m. in the morning, or it might not be exactly 9 a.m., but it'll be close to it. And this will be for every single all-day event on this calendar. Right? And so what this does is, as I create events, I don't really have to worry about setting these specific events or these notifications because it will become the default behavior. I could just as easily add other notifications when I create an event, but these will always be in place. And then if I scroll down to other notifications, do I want to be notified when a new event is added to this calendar, when somebody changes an event, cancels an event, if somebody responds to an invitation for an event, or anything regarding the daily agenda. So do I want any of these notifications? None, or get an email? So depending on how you like to be notified of changes to your calendar, you can set these notifications to be the default behavior.